Cwmtawe, welcome to the Ukulaliens YouTube channel. My name's Rachel Webley and I'm a music teacher in a secondary school in South Wales. We started a ukulele club called the Ukulaliens a few years ago, and I began making these ukulele play-along videos to help the students learn. I've tried to organise the videos into playlists according to difficulty. So if you're new to the ukulele, have a look for the playlist Where to Start, Videos in Order for Beginners, or the Very Easy playlist, but there's a huge selection of all kinds of music on here. I also have another YouTube channel called Ukulele Wales, where you'll find tutorials to go with the play-along videos. Beginner lessons for both ukulele and bass ukulele, useful information about buying ukes, storing your ukuleles, using electric and electroacoustic ukuleles, and accessories such as straps, cases and amps, but there is so much more on there. We've got t-shirts, mugs and all sorts of merch available from the Redbubble shop, and there's always a link in the description below. And if you need any more information, please check out my website ukulele.wales. So please subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on new videos. A massive thank you for all the support so far, and remember, have fun with your ukuleles.